Stop here. What's up, guys? Siamo tornati a casa, ora ci prepariamo una bella cenetta italiana. Facciamo una bella pasta col sugo di tonno come piace a noi. Quindi per prima cosa tagliamo la cipolla. La cipolla è molto grande, però a noi va bene perché vogliamo tanto sapore nella nostra pasta. La speliamo per bene. Ecco qui, cerchiamo di non lacrimare. Adesso affrontiamo la cipolla con un taglio a griglia e poi andiamo a creare dei cubetti per il nostro...
Some big slices.
No, but I'm gonna do some more work on it. Why the fuck did I do that?
At least taste it. What's the flavor profile?
I love onion. No butter? Now my breath stinks. Yeah, I don't know why. I just bit it. Fuck. Like what I look like a cutting onion in a hotel and he's shooting a video of me. What do people think? Yeah. We don't have oil, we don't have nothing. We just have onion. So we're gonna work with it. We're gonna do what we can do with it. Because we don't have problems, we only have solutions.
Well, maybe we didn't find all the solutions today, but it's okay.
Not all the solutions, but we tried. Sometimes you fail. Ok, abbiamo tagliato la cipolla in pezzi minuscoli. Ora andiamo ad accendere il nostro fornelletto elettrico. Vediamo la fiamma. Bella fiamma grossa. Andiamo a piazzare la nostra big pan e caliamo la cipolla. Non abbiamo olio, speriamo che vada bene. There's some water. I have a feeling that this is not gonna work. It's probably gonna burn, bro. That's the problem.
Yeah.
We're gonna burn this place off.
I see smoke.
This is not gonna work.
No.
No, we should leave this place. Straight here, so we can see it from the table. Ok ragazzi, allora il problema è che senza olio la cipolla brucia, allora pensiamo di farlo qua fuori. This is a good flame. Can you get the pan please? Ah, porco. Ok, second try, tentativo numero 2. Andiamo a calare tutta la cipolla all'interno della padella. Anzi, facciamo metà perché se metà brucia almeno abbiamo un altro. Ok, start stirring. Ok, abbiamo Sebastian che gira tutto because he knows how to do it. Am I right? Ok, ora vado a prendere l'ingrediente segreto. This is burnt onion for you guys.
You're blind. It was like right there.
Like fucking dog food. I don't know what this was like 4 times cheaper than the other tunas over there.
That's probably why.
Bro, it looks like... Let's get tuna, we got tuna. Abbiamo aggiunto il tonno alla nostra cipolla. Ora l'ultimo step, la salsa di pomodoro. Can you please show them American sauce?
My hands smell like fish.
Please, can you show what we're preparing here, Sam? Ah, wow, that's amazing. Smells like home.
Is this like your nana does it?
Yeah, in the middle of the street.
Exactly.
Minus 3 degrees outside. È il momento del nostro ragù all'interno del tuna e cipolla. Let's get this. There we go.
Wow!
Wow!
Good for you!
You like the smell? It's some tomato sauce with tuna. It's an Italian recipe.
Italian.
Yes,
You don't look like Italian.
I am.
Oh, you are, yeah. Is this because you couldn't find a place to eat?
I like Italian food.
We were all over town. Everybody's closed.
Yeah, right? Why? Oh, because it's Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving, yeah. Luckily,
So
we had some snacks and stuff in the car, so.
Oh, yeah. Ragazzi, ma chi ve la fa una salsa così nel mezzo della strada con meno 3 gradi in felpa? Solo io ve la posso fare.
Solo tu.
Yes! We should bring this inside. It's gonna make a great smell. Everyone is gonna love it. Then we can start boiling the water. Thanks you. Oh. Oh shit, this is gonna burn in half a second.
Dude, your channel's become a cooking show all of a sudden.
I enjoy this part of the channel. How do you call this?
Stirring?
The stirring?
Oh, the actual spoon?
Yeah. It's just a spoon?
Yeah.
Maravilla. Incroyable. Tastes a lot like onion, but it's still very good. It's actually the best sauce I had in the US until now. We can go. Ora dobbiamo bollire la pasta, bollire l'acqua, calare la pasta, poi mettiamo tutto qui dentro ed è un'esplosione di sapori.
Just a bit.
Thick spaghetti.
I have my rice and tuna.
So it's 11 minutes. Wait, since we're in America, just one. Just one. Sono finiti.
Allora, 10
Ok, 11 minuti e la vogliamo al dente questa. La pasta è pronta, un po' dolce, però le bustine di sale sono troppo piccole, quindi ci accontentiamo. Ora la scoliamo piano piano, un po' alla volta. Ciao Sebastian. Alla volta, ragazzi, una forchettata alla volta. Il sugo è pronto. You look happy, bro.
I'm so fucking hungry. I just want to eat.
Yeah.
When did we come back?
Let's do what Mary says. Let's go outside. Let's go
We've been
outside.
cooking for like 3
Give me
hours.
this. Let's go outside.
Outside?
This is where we redact whatever they're saying.
Ora la giriamo per bene perché il condimento deve raggiungere tutti gli angoli della nostra pasta. Why are you laughing? You don't even know what I'm saying.
I just want to eat.
Yeah, dude, we've been waiting for 3 hours for this.
You give me a fucking spoon.
Good things take time. I'm probably the first person to cook spaghetti with tuna sauce in this town.
No, non posso fare questo.
Who cooks spaghetti with tuna sauce in Kanab, Utah? Kanab, Utah? Sebastian, good things take time. I can give you the white pasta. What are you gonna do with that, bro?
I'm hungry. It's good.
It's good?
Yeah, more. Why do you need to stir it?
Bro, because look, the sauce is all on the bottom.
I don't care.
I care.
I don't care.
I don't want it.
You don't want it. Look at this. It's the best meal in 2 months.
Can you don't tell me, please?
Whoa, that's a lot.
Take some back.
There's a few other people who want to eat.
But don't worry, it's not tuna, it's dog food. Il gioco è fatto. Please go for la videocamera. How's this Thanksgiving spaghetti?
The best. Oh yeah.
Sebastian is loving it.
Non so.
Yes, sir.